Just when I thought I was out, they pulled me back in.
You didn't think it was over. Let's get it. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cat Loco back again. Last time I did a video, I showed you guys some of my OEM tools. So I had this stuff right here. I need a spot for this place right here. I got these sets. I'm still organizing the toolbox, getting it right, but I wasn't really satisfied with this right here because I really need something to put in this spot, and hopefully this next item will fit. So for the longest time, about this time last year, OEM Tools has deals going on, and there was one set that I really don't want to spend the money on, but recently, I want to say like a month ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, they had it on sale and I had to have it. Let me show you what it is. So I haven't been posting on YouTube as much lately. I've been doing a lot of updates on Instagram. I'll put a card up above for my Instagram as @CatLocoGarage. A lot of updates that I'm doing that I don't have time to film, I'll post it up on Instagram. So go ahead and give me a follow. This was a order I got from mobiledistributorsupply.com. Last tool haul, which I'll link above. I told you I normally get my OEM tool sets from Amazon or MDS, mobiledistributorsupply.com. This item I've been looking at for like a year, and the original price on this is $99.99, and I couldn't really justify spending $100 on these, but about a week ago, maybe 2 weeks, they had this on sale for $49.99, so I had to get it. So this is what it is. This is their 3-piece impact socket set. For you guys who want the model number, this is model 23983. This is a 42-piece 3/8 drive master impact set. And let's see what we have. What you get is, it comes wrapped in plastic with a little silica packet down here. I'll go ahead and open this up for you. So we take a look at this set. You get both shallow and deep and standard and metric. It runs from 5/16 all the way up to 3/4 or 3/4. And in standard, you get it all the way from 8mm all the way up to 19mm. And the reason I got this set is I love when it doesn't skip sizes. So it comes in a nice EVA foam tray. You can clearly see the sizes in the white lettering. It has a carbon fiber skin, I guess you can say, or layer in between it. When a socket's missing, you can easily identify, you know, when you're missing something. So I really like the feature. The only thing I don't like about the EVA foam, if these get dirty, this green goes away really quick. So even brand new, I don't know if you can see that, but you see the brown in there? That's just from the grease. But if you're working on a classic car, this green's gonna turn brown or black eventually. So you get your shallow, your deep, you get your 3/8 dry bar extension. It comes with a universal joint adapter. This one you can really see what I'm talking about. But I got it for the organization mainly. I don't really care if it gets dirty. You may care. I don't. As far as the quality of the socket, it's decent. You know, I mean, it's standard. I mean, it's an impact socket. The finish is, you take a look at this, and you can see how the foam's kind of sticking on it. But it's nothing special really. So if I compare it to, like, I have this old Autocraft right here in this hand, and this is the OEM Tools, it's basically the same finish. There's really no special markings. It's stamped just like the other one. So the same finish you're used to. Now if I compare just like a Harbor Freight Pro socket, you got that nice black high gloss on your Harbor Freight Pro socket. You can see the difference. So like I said, I don't really care. As long as this works, it doesn't crack, that's all that matters. But you still may be able to get this on sale for $49.99. So what you're really paying for is the organization, the presentation of it put in your box, the foam EVA tray. I just wanted the set because I have all the chrome set, but I don't have any of the impact sockets. And I really wanted this set. There is one other set I wanted, was the 3/8 pneumatic impact set. Comes with a little 3/8 stubby, and then it comes with a few impact sockets with it. That's the only other set I would probably get because I own pretty much all of them. But it's not bad. I like it. Like I said, last Christmas I was looking at these. These were $99.99. After buying like Harbor Freight sockets for like what, 13-15 bucks, maybe 20 something bucks, I couldn't really justify spending $100 on this set. But when I saw ones like half off, I had to jump on it because I knew I wanted it. So the set isn't bad. Like I said, if you want to spend a little money just for the organization of the foam tray, this is for you. There are a lot cheaper options than spending 50 to 100 bucks on this. I just like OEM tools, and I really wanted this set. So when I saw the price drop on MDS website, it was a no-brainer. I knew I was going to get it. It just depended on when I was going to pull the trigger on it. So, so this set, I'm actually glad I got it. I didn't own any impacts. I probably won't get the 1/2 inch version unless it really drops in price. I may get a 1/2 inch, but I have a lot of socket sets already. I just like OEM tools. If you're just starting off, DIY guy, you want a nice presentable foam tray inside your toolbox with no skip sizes. You get both your shallow and your deep sockets all in one set. This is a good set to buy for 50 bucks. When you really think about it, I mean, it's about, I think Harbor Freight's like $24. And they skip sizes, and you don't get both the shallow and the deep. So for $50, to me, this is a better buy, in my opinion. And you get the foam tray. So, final thoughts. I'm glad I made this purchase. This worked out very well for me, especially when I'm in the garage. This probably won't be like a set that I take out. This is strictly toolbox. But I hope you enjoyed this haul. This is just a small tool haul. I have a massive tool haul coming later. You definitely want to miss that one. But as always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe. Share if you want. Peace.